Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So today in this video we are going to start a new chapter which is chapter 4 matrices. So matrices ni pun saya rasa senang untuk kamu because you have already learned this in secondary school. So kita just macam recap balik lah, tapi ada few things yang kamu akan baru belajar dekat sini. So this what are you going to learn? So we have like 4 subtopics, which is ini ialah basic matrices. Okay, basic matrices, which is ini kita akan belajar hari ni, type of matrices, plus, minus and multiplication. Okay, kenapa saya tak letak bahagi kat situ? Okay, nanti kita akan cakap. And then kamu akan belajar tentang transpose. And then 4.2 we are going to see how to find determinant of matrices. We have determinant for 2 by 2 matrix and 3 by 3 matrix, and we are going to see what is the properties of determinant. And then for point 3, we are going to see how to do inverse matrix, which is ada 3 method: adjoint, ERO and properties. Okay, by using properties. And then we are going to see how to solve a system of linear equation with 3 variables by using these 2 method. Okay, so this are what you are going to learn for this topic, matrices. Okay, so for this video we are going to focus on 4.1, which is to identify type of matrices, perform operation plus, minus, multiplication and find the transpose. Okay, so basically video ni easy je. Okay, so now we are going to see what is type of matrices. So before that, kita tengok dulu, kamu tahu tak matrices tu apa? So matrices, so basically kita punya matrices dia akan jadi dalam bentuk macam ni: A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. Okay, secara generalnya lah, itu A33. Okay, and then apa 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3 tu? That is we call that as a row and column. Okay, the size of our matrix. Okay, size matrix kita M times dengan N. Okay, M times N, which is kat sini 1, 3 ni represent M, N lah. So M represent row, kita punya row, and N represent column. Okay, represent column. So if we say that kita punya term tu dekat 2, 3. So here 2, 3, which means row kedua, column yang ketiga. Okay, row yang kedua, column yang ketiga. Let's see, kalau dia 3, 1 kat sini, maksudnya dia row yang ketiga, column yang pertama. Okay, so that is what matrices secara general lah. So now we are going to see type of matrices. So we have row matrix. So row matrix maksudnya ada row sahajalah. Okay, so let's say we have A is equals to 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is row matrix lah. We call it as 1 by 3 matrix. Okay, kenapa 1 by 3? Sebab kita kata tadi row times column kan, row by column. So your row ada 1, column ada 1, 2, 3. Okay, so dia akan jadi 1 by 3 matrix. And then kita ada column matrix. Samalah, let's say kalau kita ada B is equals to 3, 2, 1. Okay, 3, 2, 1. So ini contohnya kita akan sebut dia sebagai 3 by 1 matrix. Okay, okay, so now we have square matrix. Square matrix maksudnya same number of row and column. Okay, let's say if we have 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, or we can have 3 by 3 matrix, 0, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is 2 by 2 matrix. This is 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, same number of column and row. So for 0 matrix, basically semua entry kita ialah 0. Okay, so tak ada masalah lah, simple sahaja di situ. Bila dia kata 0 matrix, inilah maksudnya just 0 sahaja. Okay, so identity matrix biasanya dia tulis sebagai I. So identity matrix di mana diagonal kita, okay, akan kita letakkan 1. So yang lain ialah kosong. Okay, diagonal yang ini. So for 2 by 2 matrix, ini identity matrix kita. For 3 by 3 matrix, dia akan jadi 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, diagonal ni akan jadi 1. Okay, so apa pula diagonal matrix? Apa beza dia dengan identity matrix? Sama je, bezanya Yang satu ni can be any number. Okay, let's say if we have A, B, 0, 0. So, sama diagonal kita ni macam ni. Tapi instead of 1, 1, kalau 1, 1 the identity. But it can be any number. So, kalau any numbers, dia ialah diagonal matrix. We call it as diagonal matrix. So, contoh kita ada A0. Contohlah, if we have 2, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 1. Okay, so this is we call as diagonal matrix. Di mana diagonal dia can be any number. Okay, ataupun kalau kita kata non-diagonal dia semua 0. Okay, itu maksud dia lah. Alright, so lower triangular matrix is okay, lower triangular matrix. Apa pula maksud lower triangular matrix? So, okay, contoh kat sini saya ada A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so ini triangle saya. Kalau kamu nampak, ini ialah triangle saya. So, selain daripada tu ialah 0. So, that is what we call as lower triangular matrix. Okay, ini semua ada nombor, can be any number. Selain daripada tu ialah 0. So, that is lower triangular matrix. Contoh, kalau kita ada negative 1, 0, 0, 2, 3, 0, 4, 5, 3. Okay, so kat sini semua ada nombor. Selain daripada tu ialah kosong. Okay, apa triangular matrix pula, apa bezanya? Bezanya ialah dia berada di sebelah atas lah. Yang dekat bawah tu kosong, kosong, kosong. So, let's say if we have 3, 2, 1, 0, 5, 2, 0, 0. Sekejap, macam salah je. Betul lah. 4 contoh. Kat sini. So, yang atas ni pula ada nombor instead of yang bawah. Okay. So, that is your type of matrices. So, kamu kena tahulah type of matrices ni. Contoh kalau the question asks you, the diagonal matrix ... So, you have to know what is diagonal matrix. So, you have to know that here is 0, here is 0. Okay, if the question said the upper triangular matrix, you know that these 3 entries are 0. Okay, so you have to know. This is very important type of matrices. Okay, so now we are going to see operation on matrices. So very basic. Tambah tolak sahaja. But the most important thing, if you do addition and subtraction, your order has to be same. Okay, your matrices has to be in the same order. Okay, so let's see. If we have, okay, terus pergi ke example 1. We have matrix A, B and C. The question asks for matrix A plus matrix B. So we will have 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4, 3, negative 5, 6. Okay, you have to check every time you do your operation, you have to check your order. So this is 2 by 2 matrix, this is 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, for addition and subtraction, it has to be in same order. Okay, so ini kita boleh tambah lah. So we will have 1 plus 4, jadi kena kat tempat yang sama. So we will have 5, and then 2 plus 3, we will have 5, and then we have 3 plus negative 5, we will have negative 2, and then last one, 4 plus 6 is equals to 10. So this is the answer. So for A minus B, so we will have 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 4, 3, negative 5, 6. Sama. Okay, the order is the same. So kita boleh tolak. So 1 minus 4, negative 3, 2 minus 3, negative 1, 3 minus negative 5 is 8, 4 minus 6 is negative 2. Okay. So now let's see question C, A plus C. So we will have here 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2. Okay, make sure to check the order first. So your size of matrix, so this is 2 by 2, this is 2 by 1. So order dia tak sama, so we cannot add or subtract these two matrix. So apa yang jawapan yang kita boleh letak? Jawapan dia ialah not defined. Okay, not defined ataupun undefined dan seterusnya lah. Seterusnya. Okay, not defined lah. Okay, so that is for subtraction and addition. Okay, matrix dia order dia kena sama. So now let's proceed to multiplication. Okay, so kita terus pergilah ke multiplication. Okay, saya bagi contoh dulu kat sini. Let's see if I have matrix A. If A is equals to 5, 2, 3, 1 and alpha is equals to 2, then alpha A is basically 2A, which is equals to 2 times 5, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times 2, 1. Okay, so itu multiplication kalau ada constant. This is the properties lah, properties yang pertama. Okay, properties kita lah. Okay, kalau ada constant, we can multiply it. Okay, so let's see example 2. So now the constant is negative 1 over 2. So we can multiply in every entry dekat sini. So here we will get the answer. Negative 1 over 2A. So negative 1 over 2 times 2 we will get negative 1. Negative 1 over 2 times negative 4 we will get 2. Okay, seterusnya. Okay, so now let's see example 3. Okay, sorry, ini skala multiplication. Okay, kalau kita ada a constant lah. So let's see example 3. Yang ni boleh buat sendirilah. Dia cari jawapan dia. The answer would be negative 6, negative 6, 3, 3. Okay, Mr. DIY kita, please do. Okay, jangan tinggalkan. So now we are going to proceed to multiplication of matrices. Tadi kita tengok scalar multiplication. So now we are going to see multiplication of matrices. Okay, so kalau subtraction dengan addition, we have to make sure that the order is the same. But for multiplication, you have to check here. Dekat sini, kita ada matrix kita, size of matrix A contoh, dengan size of matrix B. Let's say, this is kita punya row, this is our column. Okay, this is our row, this is our column. Okay, yang di tengah ni mesti kena sama. Okay, this one here mesti kena sama, barulah kita boleh multiply kan dia. Faham ke? Yang di tengah tu baru kena sama, barulah kita multiply. And the product of our multiplication is ini by ini. Okay, so contoh saya tunjukkan. Let's see if we have matrix 2, 3, 1, 5 multiply by 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 5. Okay, so this is 2 by 2 matrix. So this is 2 by 3 matrix. So what we do, we are yang tengah-tengah ni sama kan, 2 dengan 2. So we are going to get a 2 by 3 matrix. Okay, so kita boleh multiplykan dia lah. Okay, but let's see if we have 1, 2, 3 times by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see if this is 3 by 1 matrix. This is 3 by 2 matrix. Okay, kalau tengok dekat tengah ni tak sama. Okay, 1 dengan 3. So the answer would be not defined lah. Okay, not defined. So for multiplication, you have to make sure yang di tengah tu, kita punya row dengan column yang di tengah tu mesti kena sama. Okay, so let's see example 4. Okay, matrices ini, multiplication of matrices ni ialah yang soalan yang senang tapi selalu salah kira. Okay, so you have to be extra careful lah dekat sini. So we have matrix 1, 2, 3, negative 2, 0, 5 times by 2, 1, negative 3, 4, 2, 1. So first, we have to check the order first. Okay, so this is a 2 by 3 matrix. This is a 3 by 2 matrix. So kita boleh cancel. Bukan cancel, kita boleh solvekan sebab yang di tengah sama, which is we are going to get a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, So kat sini kamu kena make sure kan apa matrix yang kamu akan dapat tu, so that easier for you to multiply. Okay, so 2 by 2 matrix maksudnya kamu akan dapat 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, ada 4 entry dekat situ. So how to multiply these matrices? Row times by column. Okay, so first row times by first column. So which means 1 times 2, 2 times negative 3, 3 times 2. Okay, fokus kita ialah di first row dan first column. Okay, fokus kita first row, first column. So we will have 1 times 2 plus 2 times negative 3 plus 3 times 2. Okay, so next, masih lagi di first row times by second column kita. Okay, samalah 1 times 1, 2 times 4, 3 times 1. Okay, 1 times 1 plus 2 times 4 plus 3 times 1. Okay, so kalau kamu perasan dekat sini, ini sama. Okay, sebab dia dekat first row. Dia dekat first row. So 1, 2, 3 lah. Okay, so 2, negative 3, 2, 2, negative 3, 2. Here, that is first column, and then 1, 4, 1, 1, 4, 1 di second column. Okay, so kita proceed dekat second row kita, negative 2, 0, 5, negative 2, 0, 5. So nak darab dengan apa? Darab dengan first column kan? So basically sama je dengan yang atas. 2, negative 3, 2. Okay, so sama juga kat sini kita ada negative 2, 0, 5. So yang dalam bracket tu ikut je atas. So plus 0, 4 plus 5, 1. Okay, so now calculate your answer. We will have 2 minus 6 plus 6, negative 4 plus 10. Here is 1 plus 8 plus 3, negative 2 plus 5, which is our final answer would be 2, 6, 12, 3. Okay, so that is how you do multiplication of matrices. Very, very important because we are going to use this until the end of the topic. Okay, so make sure you mastered how to do multiplication of matrices. Okay, yang paling penting ialah check the order first so that you have the idea lah apa matrix yang kamu akan dapat. Okay, so let's see example 5. Let A and B, let A equals to this and B equals to this. Show that AB is not equals to BA. So if the question said like this, we just have to show A times B, B times A. Okay, and then we are just going to find the answer sama ada sama ataupun tidak lah. So let's see. AB is equals to negative 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, negative 1, 3, 2. Both 2 by 2 matrix, so kita boleh darabkan, which is we are going to get 2 by 2 matrix juga. So sekarang first row, kalau tak faham juga kita tulis je dulu negative 1, 2. Okay, nak darab dengan apa? Darab dengan first column. Okay, 2, 3. So plus kat sini. So pergi sebelah sini, nak pergi sebelah sini pun boleh, tapi kena ambil yang second row lah. So 3 yang dalam bracket sama, plus 4, 3. Okay, so now kita dah dekat sebelah sini. So first row times second column. So negative 1 plus negative 1, negative 1 times negative 1 plus 2 times 2, and here is 3, negative 1 plus 4, 2. Okay, so find the answer. It should be 4, 5, 24, 5. Okay, 4, 5, 24, 5. Kalau kamu jumpa saya tulis salah tu, kamu betulkan lah Okay, so that is our AB. So let's find BA pula. Kita cari BA pula apa? So BA is equals to, just do the same. Okay, do it by yourself. Okay, so itu jawapan yang kita akan dapat, negative 5, 0, 3, 14. But for AB, we got 4, 5, 24, 5. So, kita tahu jawapan dia tak sama. So, we can conclude therefore AB is not equals to BA. Very simple. Okay, tak payah susah-susah. Just substitute the value. Okay. But you have to remember, if you do multiplication, yang ini mesti kena tunjuk. Okay, jalan kerja di sini mesti kena tunjuk. Okay, sama ada ini ataupun inilah. Okay, kalau tak nak tunjuk yang ini, this one you have to show because this is the mark here. Kalau tak ada ni, tak ada markah lah. Okay, so that is multiplication. So now we are going to proceed to the last part for 4.1, which is transpose matrix. Okay, so what is transpose matrix? Obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of A. Okay, dekat sini dia cakap interchanging the row and column of A. What does it mean? Let's see if we have A is equals to, saya letak kita punya matrix secara general kita. 1, 2, 1, 3. Okay, ini matrix kita secara general. So, bila dia minta transpose, kita tulis dia sebagai A transpose. Apa yang kita akan buat ialah kita akan change yang row menjadi column. Okay, so that means kita akan dapat A11, A12, A13 akan duduk di sini. Okay, so row ini akan jadi column. So we will have A21, A22, A23 and A31, A32, A33. Okay, so change row kita menjadi column. Change row yang ini menjadi column yang ini. And change row yang ini menjadi column ini. Okay, so kalau tak faham, kita letak sebagai nombor lah. Kamu kalau saya tulis A, B, C terus tak faham kan. Let's see if we have B equals to 2, 3, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Okay, so if you want to find B transpose, basically the first row dia akan jadi the first column, 2, 3, 1. Second column will be second row. Second row akan jadi second column. And so on. Okay, so that is how we find our transpose. So now let's see example 6. Let A equals to 1, 2, B and C. Find A transpose, B transpose, C transpose. Okay, very easy. You can do it by yourself. A transpose is equals to 1, 2. So dia akan jadi macam ni lah. Okay, so B transpose is equals to 2, 1, 3 and C transpose 2, 2, 3, 4. Okay, just change the row into column. So question B, find AC transpose. So first you have to multiply AC first. Okay, so we will have AC is equals to A is 1, 2 times by C 2, 2, 3, 4. Okay, matrix apa yang kita akan dapat dekat sini? Ini ialah 1 by 2. Inilah 2 by 2. So matrix apa yang kita akan dapat? 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, 1 by 2 matrix. Kita akan dapat 1 by 2 matrix. So kamu dalam kepala kamu tahulah kamu akan dapat 1 by 2 matrix macam tu. Okay, so first row times by first column. So we will have 1 times 2 plus 2 times 3 and first row times second column. So 1 times 2 plus 2 times 4. So the answer here will be 8, 10. Okay, so the question asks for AC transpose. So we just transpose apa yang kita dah darabkan. That is going to be 8, 10. Okay, so tengok sikit dekat properties kita kat sini. Ada 4 properties for transpose. As you can see here, kalau kita buat addition or subtraction, transpose kita akan ikut dekat sini. So if we transpose, let's say lah, kalau kita transpose ini, kita akan dapat matrix yang sama balik lah. So this is like the properties. Okay, contoh kat sini, kalau kita ada AC transpose, that is going to be the same as B transpose A transpose. Okay, kalau kamu buat dekat sini C transpose times A transpose pun akan jadi jawapan yang sama. Okay, so that is the properties. You have to make sure you know the properties. Okay, Sebab kalau soalan tu suruh show, you have to show lah. Just substitute the value. Okay, so let's see the last example here. Example 7. Okay, so question A plus B transpose equals to A transpose plus B transpose. Basically just substitute value. Let's see A plus B transpose. Kita cari A plus B dulu. Okay, you just have to substitute value and then you are going to see if the answer is the same. Okay, saya akan lajukan kat sini. Kamu boleh tengok sendiri. Okay. Okay, so that's it. So whenever the question said show that, kalau ada melibatkan transpose, multiplication, addition ni, dia suruh show yang ini sama dengan ini, we just have to substitute our value. Okay, we just have to solve lah. Okay, so that is just basic for matrices. Make sure you have to master this part before we proceed to the next subtopic, sebab ini ialah paling basic. Okay, kalau kamu tak boleh nak buat multiplication transpose ni, susah lah untuk kita teruskan. Okay, so this is our exit ticket for today. Okay, so this is our exit ticket 8. Okay, submit on GC. Okay, today. That is all, guys. Thank you.